I'm Tara, and I'm joined today with Jared Bayless, the sales manager at AFS Foundation and Waterproofing Specialist. Jared, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
And I believe that it's so important to know who you're doing business with. So Jared, tell us a little bit about AFS.
AFS is actually the largest foundation and waterproofing company in the Southeast. Originally started by Ben and Rachel Bayless. At first there was not any kind of marketing department, so they would go out, hand out flyers to real estate offices, really anybody who was in a home doing work to generate business. Fast forward 20 years and we've got 5 offices servicing 3 states. We have roughly 250 employees and about 70,000 homes under warranty.
That's incredible. So inspiring that it was built off of hard work by the Baylesses. And with more and more people moving to Nashville than ever, it's important to make sure that your home is safe. So for those of us who are new to Nashville, getting our house ready to sell, or just really wanting to maintain our home, what services does AFS provide to help all of our homeowners?
Well, you know, we live in a really hot, humid climate here, and most of our homes are built on crawl spaces in this area. So you can imagine a lot of that hot, humid air gets in the crawl spaces, causes things like mold, rot, a lot of structural damage. And then our soils here are very active, so we get large amounts of rain, that soil expands, and then we go through dry periods and that soil shrinks. So pretty much, long story short, if your home is leaking or leaning, we can fix it.
Absolutely. Now, Jared, some of us may have problems that we're unaware of, and maybe our house isn't physically leaning, but we're sort of skeptical. How can we go about scheduling some sort of inspection with you guys?
The easiest way is just to go onto Google, search afsrepair.com. You can fill out the application there. The ladies in the office will give you a phone call in just a few minutes. You can also find us on Facebook and all the other social media websites. Our website also has, if you're on your mobile device, you can click the phone icon and call us right there from the website.
And do you guys have any sort of testimonials where you guys have really come to the rescue?
Oh, absolutely. We have thousands and thousands of testimonials. Many large commercial and residential projects. So we had the track record that proves we can pretty much handle any project.
Awesome. Well, Jared, thank you so much once again for coming in. And as he mentioned, of course, social media, Facebook, it's really easy, and the inspections are completely free.
Yes, ma'am.
So no risk, and you can get an inspection and just have a peace of mind. All right, once again, go to their website, afsrepair.com, for more information. If you use your phone, just click on the little phone icon and you'll be connected to someone. Thanks again, Jared.
Thank you.